Every morning, I drink lemon water for 30 days to see what happens to me. For as long as I can remember, I've been worried about my weight, always looking for more and more convenient ways to lose a couple of pounds. So the lemon water will make it happen when I read it. I still haven't held out too much hope. This little experiment, however, rapidly developed into something that totally altered my appearance. But do not forget to press subscribe and ring the notification bell to join us on the health space of life until you hear about the rest of my journey. I did a little research before I started my experiment. Lemons are replete with various vitamins, minerals, phytonutrients, and antioxidants, as it turns out. Just a quarter cup of lemon juice provides 31% of our recommended daily vitamin C intake, with an additional 3% of the full weight that is healthy for your heart, and 2% of potassium, which balances your blood pressure, according to the healthiest foods in the world. So mixing it with water to not only retain body fluids but also regulate calories seemed like a brilliant idea. For detoxifying the body, this hot combo was quickly named one of the best homemade drinks. In addition, as more and more individuals began to get involved, it turned out that lemon water can protect our bodies from some severe kidney stone issues, such as a citric acid source that reduces the risk of developing new calcium stones, according to UW Health. A half cup of lemon water alone contains the same quantity of citric acid as the varieties recommended. Experts from the Edison Nutrition Institute have also reported that lemon water has beneficial effects by suggesting drinking it on an empty stomach in the morning. And I did just that. I woke up squeezing half a lemon juice by mixing it with a third of a cup of boiling water and a quarter of a cup of cold filter water to achieve a perfect balance, drinking it and eating my breakfast. And it didn't take long for me to start making any serious improvements. The first thing I found was that right before I finished my drink, my digestive system began to wake up immediately. In the morning, I was rarely hungry before the experiment, sometimes skipping breakfast. Even though I had eaten my portions, they were very thin. My belly growls now and almost instantly asks for food, and I began to enjoy breakfast a lot more. This is all due to the ability of lemons to jumpstart our digestive process after a long night's rest, as I later discovered. How much my mood changed after drinking lemon water was another thing that shocked me. I used to be a hardcore night owl who wasn't able to stand in the mornings. But all changed after 30 days of the experiment. So I think not only does lemon water wake your body up, but it also raises your mood. And I never thought I would say this, but it really started to grow on me in the morning hours. My skin dramatically improved after the second week of daily lemon water intake. It's not that it was bad before, but after acne patches and occasional pimples, I still had blackheads. The quality of my skin is much healthier now, and I still work on it. Yet another good reality here. According to dermatologists, lemon water can help prevent cellular damage and protect the skin from free radicals that contribute to aging, with wrinkles to the antioxidants that contain limits. Lemons are also rich in vitamin C and have some strong antibacterial properties when it comes to battling infections that work wonders. Sadly, I'm one of those people who always get sick, but I feel like drinking lemon water has made my immune system a little stronger on a regular basis. I have made it part of my everyday routine since that moment. Just once did I feel sick and it quickly went away. Fresh bread is another good result of lemon water. It's nothing much, but it's still really good. Finally, the greatest success of my experiment was something that I was looking forward to: losing weight for a long time. I lost up to 20 pounds after just 3 weeks of drinking lemon water. I'm almost at my ideal weight and I can already see my body, particularly my stomach, changing. The thing is that one of the endless advantages of lemon water is that it eliminates the bloating that we may falsely view as extra weight. As a result, there is a fair chance that your stomach will be completely flat by drinking it every day. Either way, with the final performance, you will certainly not be disappointed. If you want to walk in my footsteps, try to drink lemon water every day. There are a few more things that you need to remember. Lemon water, in general, is safe for your body. It also, however, contains citric acid that can hurt sensitive tooth enamel. The remedy is quick. Often drink lemon water through a straw and afterward, do not forget to clean your mouth. If you have any issues with your teeth before continuing with this experiment, it is best to visit your dentist. From time to time, drinking plain lemon water for 30 days straight can become boring. So when I got tired of it, I replaced it with various variations. Don't worry, the weight loss process or any other changes the body is going through won't hurt it. On the contrary, any variation of lemon water has distinct advantages that your body will undoubtedly love. First off, try lemon cucumber water. Slice half a lemon and a quarter of a cucumber into thin slices and add a little ice to the drink. Let it sit for a couple of minutes in the fridge and it's ready. Cucumbers are loaded with potassium, which reduces blood pressure, which reduces puffiness, which we all need in the morning to be real and increase metabolism. Add limits to the mix and you'll get the perfect drink for your detox. Hot lemon water with honey is another one of my personal favorites. Boil 1 cup of water and add the juice of 1 medium lemon and 2 teaspoons of honey if you want to try it. The honey will dissolve if you do everything right. Let it cool for a bit, and drinking will be perfectly fine. Because it has more healthy elements and nutrients that your body can use as fuel, it's better to use organic honey for this recipe. This low-calorie drink will detoxify your body as effectively as simple lemon water and will provide extra help to melt fat and make your skin perfect. It is also a good idea to pair lemon with mint. It is the best option for giving a double boost to your energy and mood. If you want fresh lemon juice, add it to the warm water and finish it off with a few sprigs of mint. Finally, choose lemon ginger water if your main objective is to lose weight. You can significantly improve your metabolism with both lemons and ginger. Plus, this is the type of drink that you can consume all day long. To rid yourself of toxins, you should begin peeling and slicing 1 ounce of ginger root to wash. Put it in a jug filled with water when that's done and leave it overnight in the fridge like that. Pour the water into a glass the next morning and heat it until it becomes lukewarm. Add the medium-sized lemon juice and drink the finished mix in the daytime. Keeping it cold is better, but lukewarm ginger water will also work. So here you have quite a range of options. Choose and go for the one you like best. So what are you thinking? Would you like to conduct an experiment of this kind of yourself? In the comments below, tell us. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and click the subscription button. Make space for health.